Happy New Year to everyone in our country, South Africa. A very special country, so positioned in the world that no country could have anything better than South Africa. We say Happy New Year because we are today finishing the year. We've been doing a lot of things in its process. We are getting into the new year. We want to say to all South Africans of all types to say Happy New Year. We are happy to say this in the name of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, a new party, fresh, with fresh ideas and fresh thinking, fresh behavior. And we say to all South Africans, enjoy the year. But don't forget that we have Umkhonto weSizwe, whose destiny is to change the lives of our people in this country. A party that has emerged from nowhere and indeed is now heading those who are parties in this country. As you know, we have a number of issues we are dealing with. Firstly, the elections, how much this party promised to have 2/3 majority and was in a sense disturbed by those who wanted it not to reach there. But here it is. It has come. And we are here to be seen, to be appreciated, and to be with you. So please enjoy the new year. Enjoy the new year as we had enjoyed the last year, which was a very special year, wherein South Africa turned the politics into something that everybody felt they needed to participate. You must participate and continue to participate, but at the end, remember, we say we as the black people in this country need to feel everything we want. We must have equal in South Africa. We must be together. We'll chase no one away. We'll be sitting here, but all of us must enjoy our country. Africa, at the lower part of the African continent, is here. We want the entire continent to be free and to enjoy everything. We want you to enjoy and be happy. Particularly, MK says to all of you, Happy New Year. I say this on behalf of this party, which is changing this country, is changing the continent, and it is also an ambitious party that the whole world is likely to change so that we can live a good life as human beings, as people of all types, but all happy. Happy New Year. Enjoy. Thank you very much.
Mina nginguWillis Mchunu, umdidiyeli womkhonto weSizwe, phecelezi uconvener KwaZulu Natal province. Ngike ngathi ukubambeka umkhuhlane ngonyaka ka-2024. Ngibonga kubo bonke labo abebengithinta bengidlulisela ukululama okuhle nokusheshayo, nalabo futhi akade bedlulisa imkhuleko. Nabo bonke abanye abangangithintanga kodwa ngeenhliziyo zabo abebethintekile ngalokhu kungaphili kwami. Nginazisa-ke ukuthi namhlanje sengingcono, sengilulamile. Kodwa umsebenzi ngiyuqala kahle ngokwanele ngomhla ka-2 ngoLwesihlanu ngoLesine lapho ngiyoqala khona ngemihlangano ehlelelwe lolo suku lilandelise njalo njalo. Kuyobe-ke sewuqalile unyaka. Siwumkhonto wesizwe sibhekene ney'nselelo eziningi ekufuneka sibhekane nazo ngonyaka ka-2025. Ukwakhiwa kabusha kwey'nhlaka zethu kusukela phansi emawodini kuze kuyofika phezulu ohlakeni oluhola iprovince. Yonke leyo msebenzi ubheke thina, kodwa futhi nangaphezu kwaloko sibhekene futhi ngokuthi uzoba unyaka lapho okufanele ukuthi sikwazi ukubumba inhlangano yethu ukuthi ibumbane, siyeke ukuthi siloke sihluthulana ngamazwi esidlangalaleni, siyeke futhi ukuthi siloke sicekela phansi iy'thunzi zabanye abantu. Siyinhlangano asibumbane sibe munye. Siyakucela-ke lokhu ukuthi wonke umuntu oyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe naloyo osekela nje umkhonto wesizwe noma engakabi yilunga, asibambisane nokugcina. Inkulu into esibhekene nayo esiyobe sibhekene nayo ngo-2025 kuze kufike u-2026. Amalungiselelo ka-2026 aqala ngo-2025. Ngakho-ke asizilungiselele ukubumbana ngaphezu kwayizolo. Uma singabumbene, ikusasa lethu aliyukuphumelela kulezi okuyizifiso zabantu abaningi base-South Africa nabala KwaZulu-Natal kakhulukazi. Sidlulisa-ke amazwi ukuthi ungathi unyaka ungahlukaniseka kahle kuwo wonke umuntu oyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe nosekela umkhonto wesizwe nabo bonke nje abantu bakwaZulu-Natal ababona umkhonto wesizwe njengenhlangano okuyiyona eseyikusasa labo. Sithi gwaza mkhonto gwaza 2025 akube unyaka womkhonto wesizwe.